Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say morning, Bam Bam.
Good morning, everyone.
Guys, say morning.
Morning.
Morning who? Morning who? And Sarah is saying morning faves. You guys, we are on the road. You guys can't tell that I am hell tired.
Mom, I'm gonna show you what I picked. Papa, I'm gonna show you something.
Okay.
Here.
What's that? School.
I'm gonna show you something.
Here?
Look.
Yeah, I see
You
it.
saw that?
Yes, I saw it.
That's why.
I'll tell you after I finish after the faves. You guys, I am actually tired. Sarah had the worst night she's had since she's been born. Last night was rough. She didn't fall asleep until about 3 a.m. this morning. So she had a hard night with griping, and it wasn't easy for me, but I keep my composure and I keep my cool, and I calm her down, and I finally find a way to make her fall asleep, and she finally fell asleep. But all in all, she's okay, to say the least. She got a little rest after that, and she woke up this morning and went back to sleep, so that's good. However, we are on the road because I have a little shopping to do, because your girl don't have no clothes that fits. Your girl don't have no clothes that fits, and the next few weeks coming up will be super busy outy for me, so I need some clothes. So I'm going to do a little shopping for myself today, and it's best I go early than in the afternoon when I'll be feeling the effects of no sleep last night, a little or no sleep last night. But anyway, it comes with having a newborn, so that's completely okay with me. Hopefully you guys are having a good day though. Hopefully you guys are enjoying whatever it is that you set out to do today. Stay positive, keep an open mindset, and yes, your girl is feeling her here, honey. These clippings are giving me life. Yes, if you guys are wondering, these are clippings. Tyler soon talk to you. These are clippings, natural curly hair from AliExpress, and I love them. They makes me look cute, mute. Anyway, you guys, let me stop my antics. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up. If it's the first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe. We love you guys, and we'll catch you guys along our day. Yes, Tyler.
We are going into the supermarket, and we are going real ass.
We're not going to supermarket. We went to supermarket last night and you fell asleep on your way home. That's why you forget we went to the supermarket yesterday. We went to the supermarket already, baby. You fell asleep on your way home last night. We just got back home off the road. We just got back home from doing our weekly supermarket shopping, and Ty fell asleep on our way home, which is expected because he didn't get to have a nap today, and we had a long busy day being up and down, so he's pretty tired. Sarah fell asleep too, but she just woke up, and babe got home from work, and we just went straight on the road, so I'm sure baby's super tired, and it's Friday evening, so he's looking forward to his wine and his cashew. Looking forward to your wine and your cashew? He just stepped in from parking at the garage. So you won't get no Tyler today in the supermarket haul, and I'm sure baby's hella hungry. You hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry. I didn't touch nothing. Well, I got some cashew.
You got cashew since you got home?
Yeah, that's the only thing I had.
didn't saw.
I took cashew.
I
I
didn't
couldn't
see you.
stay that long, and it's hot and hungry
Miserable too.
and all of these things to get.
Alright, so babe and I are just going to flash and show you guys real quick what we got at the supermarket, because of course Tyler is sleeping, so you guys won't have Tyler. And Sarah is awake now, and I know she soon be hollering for mama. So I'm going to help babe and show you guys. But we got to the supermarket real quick, and then I make babe his dinner, and yeah.
But the good things we get is like new things. We get this is
I can't say properly. I think I need to fix the camera. Go ahead, you can see.
So it's like shampoo me. It's like so when I drink something, she can follow me, no alcohol. So that's fine. Regular things. Avocado, fish. Well,
my favorite fish.
Your favorite fish is not your favorite fish. Every time you say fish, you say your favorite fish.
No, I mean my favorite French fish. Let's put it that way. You know, fish is my favorite fish.
Yeah, your favorite chicken, French chicken.
And we got pancake. We have to drive to a different supermarket.
Definitely your favorite chicken.
Ew, chicken breast. And mince.
Tomatoes. Chicken.
And more chicken.
And the other one for the only man in the house. No?
You're not showing them what we're getting, you're just putting all the things on the
We got a lot of rice.
Spaghetti.
Dedicates to who?
Marianne. This is Marianne Falls. Marianne let us fall in love with basmati rice, so I decided that I'll stop cooking Uncle Ben and start cooking basmati. How we miss her. Marianne will always be in our memory with this rice. This rice tastes good. And this is our go-to pizza when we don't want to cook.
Yeah, some Madeleine for Tyler because it's back to school on Monday, so we have to get back his regular snack. A lot of bananas. I don't know what happened with you on the bananas. So a lot of bananas.
I realized that I am
corn. Dedicates to Marion too.
Also, and I usually buy corn.
No, I mean she get corn and.
Oh, you mean corn and milk?
In tin milk.
I realized that because I'm breastfeeding, breakfast, lunch, and dinner is not enough for me. I have to snack in between, so I rather
Tyler again. We got a lot of things Tyler this time.
Healthy options, so I've been doing smoothies.
Right, this is healthy plantain, green plantain. How to fry green plantain.
It's funny.
Oh, that's a new thing that we got.
They can't see.
Yeah, but you said you're gonna help me.
Yeah.
So I don't know what you're doing.
Salad dressing, soap for shower, Tyler snack, and almond. They're funny.
No, not. Tyler is funny.
Tyler get it from you, I'm sure of it.
Ah, you got my smart and you're funny.
No.
Ziploc bag.
He got both from you.
Apple juice.
More apple juice. Can you guys tell that's all we drink in this house?
Apple juice. And yogurt. You like yogurt? So we make yogurt for you. She said natural yogurt, but she adds sugar on it.
Yeah, so. But what amount of sugar add to it?
I have to tell you that you're absolutely right. There's less sugar when you add this than when it's already sugar.
Exactly.
Oh, that's the frozen things. Some shrimp. Frozen shrimp. I don't know what's going on with frozen shrimp.
Because I find that this shrimp is better than the one that I choose in the other package.
Red fruit for me.
No, liar.
For you?
Strawberry and mango to
put that in the freezer. And ice cream for Tyler, vanilla. And I find this, I wanted to try this apple sorbet.
What's that?
For me, apple. Yeah, it's for me. It's not for you. So you know, don't even look at it or put it under this. Don't even.
Alright. You stay here. Don't look at the toothbrush.
And pancake for Tyler and me.
Are you and Tyler alone in the house?
And Sarah?
Oh. Who gonna make it? Who gonna make it?
You?
So I'm gonna make that you and tell us I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah.
Alright.
No.
Alright. Fast man.
Some.
I don't
Yes, you get that.
I don't see the more.
No, but look, I give you some salad. You can put.
They already saw Yan Tyler.
You can eat salad while we eat pancake.
It's alright. It's alright.
Bread for me. Bread for me. I realized that I like to do confiture, jam. I like to put jam, strawberry jam on this white bread.
Oh, that's what you've been having in the mornings these days?
Not really, because it was just 3-4. That's how I use the last 3-4.
Okay.
But otherwise I get my cereals. And some brown bread for Tyler toast in the morning. And another salad. So you have a lot of salad, you see?
You see my rat boy, you see?
Some quinoa. Where did you get quinoa too? So you have your quinoa. So why you bother me with pancake?
One man, one time.
And apple for Tyler. This is what apple
Puree fruit, they call
Puree
it
fruit.
in English.
This is, well, apple pure fruit because it's
Right.
apple.
Apple puree.
That's what they request from Tyler
At school?
at school, like 10 a.m. eat break.
Right.
That's what they want. They don't want no. They make sure that
Biscuit,
when they give kids, they make sure that it's healthy things or things like this. But then when you come home, you get all of the fat that you want.
Ha! Yes, Sarah, I'm coming.
And what did you
Yes,
make?
Sarah calling. I told you guys she would be calling.
A lot of kiwi, some apple juice again, water, and
I haven't had
orange juice.
I haven't had orange juice in a long
Yeah, so it's almost full. So that's it.
So we can stop. Yes,
For
Sarah,
today.
I'm coming.
I can start to eat now because I'm hungry.
I'm coming, Sarah.
And anything you want to eat?
I think you're really hungry. Go for Sarah, Carrie, come. She crying. Ah. Sarah said, eh. So you holding her like that?
Answer?
You hold her, let me get your food ready. Sarah, they abandon you. Him show off, you see. Him have daughter bat with big ears. She's content. My sweet girl. My sweet, sweet Sarah. No, we are just going a little shopping, okay? For Mama. So you're gonna chill with Papa until Mama do her shopping, okay?
And then we are gonna do
We'll see after. Alright?
and maybe I want to go to
Maybe you want to go to where?
home, park our car, and then
I can't get him. He's gonna give me a long episode right now. He's been obsessed with taking the tram because it's a new tram. Listen to him. He's gonna say he want to go to Jamaican. That's the ice cream stuff for the tram. Okay, we'll think about it, okay? Alright. Shopping is finished. I got a few things, but I am a bit disappointed. I can't believe that it's the end of August. And almost all the stores change out their outfits from summer fit to winter fit already. I just can't believe that. It's hot as crazy, And the stores don't have summer clothes. That don't make no sense at all to me. Oh well, I guess I have to just deal with that and get used to it and know that at this time of the year you can't shop for summer anymore. You have to shop in advance, so you can't really buy things as you go. Nonsense. I'm so disappointed. I'm pissed, actually. I'm pissed. Anyway, you guys, I got me some new jeans and I got me a few tops, and yeah, that's it. I still gonna have to buy more things because I'm not satisfied at all. Anyway, Sarah slept. She is such a good girl. She slept the entire shopping time and wake up when she was hungry. I had pump and bring bottle for her, so I gave her a bottle. She had it and went right back to sleep, and we are on our way now heading home. But on our way we're gonna stop and pick up some pizza because we are hungry. So we're gonna have pizza for lunch, which we haven't had pizza in a long time. I mean Domino's pizza in a long time. Missing my good garlic bread. I used to have that a lot while I was pregnant. And you know the cool thing about my body now when I with Sarah than when I was pregnant with after having Ty, I went from a size 2 with Ty to a size 8, and now with Sarah I went from a size 2 to a size 4, so that is so cool. So I'm on just a size up, which is awesome. Yeah, so I got me some new jeans and we're hungry now, so I'm miserable. I want food. Anybody else miserable when they're hungry? When I'm hungry, you don't want to cross my path. I'll just eat everybody head off. Oh. Let me show you guys our pizza. That's our cheesy bread. Heaven, literally. Cheese. And the pizza is the same. It's the same pizza we always take. Nothing's changed. Here Taylor in the back, more cheesy bread, and we got 2 boxes of cheesy bread and we already eat one. So we're on the second one.
It looks like a candy. Oh, new one.
Hi guys, you guys, we've been back from off the road for a while, and we got some rest. I feel rested. We got some rest.
Do you want my ice cream?
Yes, my boy made me ice cream. Which is ice cream.
And eat those when you finish.
What is this?
This
you mean?
is ice cream.
And this he made me Oreo.
And this
Oreo.
And this is the candy.
Oh, this is the candy you made?
Yes, and this white, this black thing is the ice cream.
I already tasted it. It's very yummy.
And the white thing is the Shanti.
Is what?
Shanti.
C'est quoi Shanti?
Shanti is in the French where we eat it ice cream. So when the ice cream come up this spoon, you can eat it.
Okay.
Eat it now. Enjoy.
Thank you.
When you finish, tell me.
It's yummy. My stomach is full. Thank you.
Did you want the candy?
Oh no, I don't want to have a rotten teeth. He's looking at me like, Mom, what the hell are you talking about? Anyway, you guys, like I was saying, we got back and we all took naps and I felt better. I'm ready for anything that comes tonight with Sarah. But I'm just gonna show you guys a few of the things that I got while shopping.
Mama.
Come here. Yes, guys.
What do you want? I have. What do you want to drink? I have tea, water, orange juice, and apple juice.
I would say water is best, but I'll take some apple juice.
Okay.
I actually went shopping 2 stores. I went Primark and H&M. In a cup.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you guys what I got in H&M. I got these cute slippers. because my slippers that I have like this is broken. So I got this one. I think this one is cute, and this one is 15 euro.
With some ice.
Yes, please. I want it very cold. Thank you.
Okay.
I got me some new bra because of course these boobs are hella huge right now with the breastfeeding. And I got this top, which is nice. I realized that I'm trying to change my style up a bit, really, to dress less skimpy but more, not mom like, but more, you know,
apple juice.
covered. It's so refreshing in this heat. Thank you.
What else do you want?
I am full right now. Thank you, chef.
Okay, you're welcome.
And I got this t-shirt looking one, and this one was for 4 euros. And I realized that the store is full with the same colors, so I had to choose things close in color. This one was 8 euro. I like the little design at the front here. And I got this pin under, which was 10 euros, a turtleneck, what you got, neon green pin under. Get off my foot.
I want to sit on your foot.
Why you want to sit on my foot and I'm doing something?
Because I want to sit
No.
somewhere. I want to sit here.
I got this leggings. No, sit around there.
But I want to.
Come sit around here. Is Sarah waking up? I got this leggings, and this one was 10 euro. I like the thing at the side.
Where should I put my phone?
I don't know. So those are all the things I got from H&M. Can you pick her up, please? And from Primark, I got mostly pants, because like I told you that all their summer clothes are gone, like gone. I had to walk to H&M to search for a few things. That's where I find these stuffs. But like I said, I'm still not satisfied. I'm gonna have to go in town in the week to see if I find some more top. So I just got some jeans in Primark.
36.
So I got these
36.
these 36 high waist jeans.
36.
Yes, Dad. So I think I got about 4 of them. I got this one. I got a black one.
36.
And I think I got 2 more blue. But that's just all the things that I got.
36.
And Sarah wants me.
36.
So I gotta go. What you eyeing about? It's food time. Yes, it's food time. Hungry? Hungry, mom? Yes, food time.
Yeah,
You see her? You see her on the Hi. Hey, y'all. Oh, hi. 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 Yes. Yes. What are you saying? You're talking. You're talking to me. You're talking to me. She's just here cooing. You're talking to me? Put it around here, please. Thank you. Hi. 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 What are you saying? Tell me. Yes. You're pretty. You're pretty. Yes, you're pretty. Yes. You're pretty. You're pretty. You're my pretty girl. Yes. Yes. You're my pretty girl. You're my pretty girl. You're smiling. You're my pretty girl. She loves to smile. She smiles around the clock. I tell her that they're gonna take her away because she smiles too much. Oh, bless you. You're pretty. You're pretty girl. Yeah? Look at that cheek. Look at those fat cheeks. Oh, yes. That's a little yawn. That's a little yawn. Who are you looking at? You dreaming? Oh. Smiling? What you saying? Yes. Tell mama. Tell mama. Tell me. Yes, I know. Yes.
Can you show you don't want to know?
Oh. Yes. What is it? What is it? What is it?
The phone?
What is it? Tell me. You finished talking? You're opening your mouth to give him wet kiss, don't you? Don't you to give him wet kiss? You're gonna give brother wet kiss? You're gonna give brother wet kiss?
Kiss.
Give him kiss.
Now I should give you a wet kiss.
What is it?
You ate your butt?
No.